This next practice is for different types of zigzags. So the zigzag stitch has several different options. These are called overcast stitches, and they're intended to go slightly off the edge of the fabric. So if we were using fabric instead of paper, you would put the edge of the needle line it up where it would just slightly go off the edge of the fabric. But since we're doing this on paper, how you'll line these up, and this will be how you do 4, 5, and 6. Those all are overcast stitches or zigzag stitches using the J foot. You will turn your stitch selector to whatever's indicated on that number. So for number 4, it's actually stitch 4. It tells me to adjust my stitch length, increase it to a 3, and increase my stitch width to a 3. What I like to do is I like to hold my threads out here, turn the hand wheel toward me so I can raise my needle, and I like to see where the needle goes. So I just saw it jump over to the right, so I know the next time I go it's going to be over to the left. I want to start it within the left position, and I'll slide my paper under here, and so I'm going to start it out. When it's over in the left position, I'll start it down either on the line or just slightly to the left of the line. Lower your presser foot, and then as you stitch, the rest of the zigzag or whatever overcast it is going to be off to the right of the line. You just sew to the end of the line, raise your needle, raise your presser foot again, and then at this point you would trim up your threads. You'd continue on doing that same thing for 5 and 6, paying attention to what stitch you're using and then what stitch length and width